In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to zoom out on Dropbox. This skill is particularly useful for those times when you're trying to get a better overview of your files, or if text and icons appear too large on your screen. Let's dive right in and make your Dropbox browsing experience as smooth as possible. First things first, open your preferred web browser and navigate to dropbox.com. This is the gateway to accessing your stored files, photos, and documents. Dropbox's website is designed to be intuitive and user-friendly, ensuring that you can find what you're looking for with minimal hassle. Once you're on the Dropbox homepage, you'll need to log into your account to access your files. Look for the login option on the page. It should be fairly apparent, but if you're having trouble locating it, remember that these buttons are usually in the top right corner of web pages. Clicking Login will bring you to the next step in accessing your Dropbox account. For those of you who prefer a streamlined login process, Dropbox offers the convenience of logging in via Google. To take advantage of this feature, simply click on Continue with Google when presented with the login options. This method not only saves time, but also reduces the number of passwords you need to remember, granting you access to your files in just a few clicks. Once logged in, it's time to navigate to your Dropbox files. The next step is pretty straightforward. Look for the Files option, usually located in the sidebar on the left side of the screen. This section is where all your Dropbox files and folders are neatly organized. Clicking on it will take you to the heart of your Dropbox, revealing all the content you've stored over time. Now for the main event, zooming out. You might find that sometimes the content on your Dropbox page appears too large, making it difficult to navigate or find what you're looking for. To adjust this, you'll need to use a simple keyboard and mouse combination. Press and hold the Control button on your keyboard. While holding it down, use the mouse wheel to zoom in or out on the web page. It's a nifty trick that works not just on Dropbox but on most websites, allowing you to adjust the page view to your liking. Zooming out is particularly useful when you're looking for a broader view of your files, or when the text and icons feel uncomfortably large. Using the Control button in combination with the mouse wheel gives you control over your viewing experience, making it easier to manage your Dropbox files effectively. One thing to remember is that this zoom function is tied to your web browser, so it will affect how websites appear on your browser, not just on Dropbox. If you find that all websites are zoomed in or out after adjusting it on Dropbox, you can easily reset the zoom level by pressing the Control key and the number 0 simultaneously. This little shortcut brings everything back to the default zoom level, ensuring that your browsing experience remains consistent across different sites. As you've seen, adjusting the zoom level on Dropbox is a simple yet effective way to enhance your file management experience. Whether you're looking to get an overview of your stored files, or you need to make everything appear larger for readability, the control is literally at your fingertips. With today's guide, managing your Dropbox account has become even more versatile, adaptable to your unique needs and preferences. Remember, the key to a seamless Dropbox experience lies in familiarizing yourself with these handy tips and tricks. Not only do they save you time, but they also make navigating your digital storage space as effortless as possible, so go ahead, give it a try, and see how tweaking something as simple as the zoom can significantly improve your Dropbox usage. That wraps up today's tutorial on how to zoom out on Dropbox. With this new knowledge, you're now equipped to navigate your Dropbox account more effectively, ensuring that you can always find what you're looking for without a hitch. Happy browsing, and I'll see you in our next video for more tips and tricks to help you get the most out of your digital tools.